Hello everyone, we're at the beachfront now, and as you can see, we have a little setup here. Diba? Exclusively under the shade of this cute tree. And I just retouched on my sunblock.
Ang bag ko.
Nandun sila, ayan, 300 lang. Asan?
200 to. Itong matcha.
Ay, yung matcha.
Tapos yung bag.
Yung tote bag, ayan ah. Meron siyang bagong tote bag.
naman ang picnic ang
300.
Ang cute.
Meron palang affordable ditong tote bag eh.
Matibay yung strap.
Matibay daw yung
Ang daming tote bag doon sa kultura. Pico de Lomo. Kung punta kayo ng...
Over there is the...
Ay nako, makaka-copyright pa ako.
Sige, nimute ko na lang to. Saan mo nabili yung toast?
Ay, may store lang din. Bagay yung
$2 for Red Sea Coaster Sail Yacht. Magawa sila doon ng mga shake. Yan yung mga shops nila.
Meron takoyaki.
Barbecue, takoyaki.
Binibenta ng takoyaki.
Ayoko na, magastos. May food naman tayo. There's a resto over there. Gumahanap sila, mami. Shout out to Nolarn. Yun yung kanyang Bluetooth speaker. Binenta niya kay Zep.
1 hour later.
Yung pinatay ko.
Swan. Hindi, ducks. Ang cute nila. Yes, opo. Ang cute nila. They're all together. May 5 bibe akong nakita. Mapayat, walang mataba. Hindi sila 3 eh, 5 sila eh. Cute. Aww. They're swimming free.
Later.
This is our new spot, guys. Time check, it's 3:15. Photo walk muna tayo habang wala pang tao. Kasi mamaya crowded na dito eh. So, first one is the jellyfish warning. If the purple flag is up, it means there's jellyfish, sea urchins, and others. So it's better to wear your aqua shoes. So now let's proceed to the snack bar, or whatever you call this one. Yan. Mga shops dito eh. One to cup. Bengal. Adik sa kape. Kape is life. Meron ding mga doon. Let's go. Burger. Buy one, take one. Papaya. Spinach. Lasagna. Chili nachos. Ito spirits. And leche flan pa oh. Ube halaya. Calamares, Vietnamese fresh roll. Drinks. Fried chicken. Chicken skin. Corn dog. Chicken burger. Nachos. Fries. Embutido. Meron pa dito. Siomai. Kikiam. Fishball. Balot penoy. Everything you want is here. Mango sticky rice. Para ka nasa Thailand. More over here. Gusto mo bumili ng mga native suits or what. Mga scrunchies. And clips. Mga native products. Hand-woven products. Handmade. Peanut butter ba to? Oo nga, peanut butter o homemade chicharron. Pancake waffle mix. Yogurt and cucumber lemonade. Over here, puto and puto bongbong. Barbecue. Lumpia. May mga ano din dito. Accessories and stuff. That's it. These cabanas are available for rent. May fee daw dyan eh. Kaya wala kami doon sa ano. Ayan na ang aming tray ng mother. Nakaupo sa camping chair. Yan, habang mainit pa. Meron din ditong football net. Sprinklers all over. And our hotel is over there. I think let's go over there. This is the off-limits section for members and accompanied guests only. So, hindi na tayo allowed dyan. Here's the shower and I think it's for the guests as well. I mean for the members only. There are more canopies over there. I think those are for rent. Depende kasi may mga nakalagay na ano yan, yung mga sign na gano'n. You need to read those ones first before entering kasi baka may bayad. Dito yung lifeguard. But for the meantime, wala sila kasi nga wala lang masyadong lumalangoy eh. Punta tayo doon. Lakad tayo doon. So off limits din tayo dito guys. Akala ko yung building na yun lang eh. So, these ones are for the members only. So, from this point on, we are off limits. So, change of plans. Lapit na lang tayo sa shoreline. Here. Yan. Dito lang yung lilim eh. Let's just take a video of the entire shoreline. Jellyfish. Tignan niyo yung beach very calm. Walang mga waves. Senior and child friendly. Tapos hindi pa mabato. White sand. Tapos over there's a pier. Yun lang yung mga for guests. So there's another flag over here, jellyfish warning. There's a restaurant over here. Yan. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga menu. Tara! pambata. Varsity player yan eh. At the same time, sunset. Bye, Mom.
Lakad-lakad lang ako.
Okay. Exercise. Sam's about to rain. Hello, everyone. Wala lang.
The next morning.
Nagluluto kami, guys. Nagsangag ako ng fried rice. Maliit lang kasi yung kawali. Ayan, yun na yung kawali. Nandito kami sa pan, sa pot. Nagluto. Lagyan ko ng maling and eggs. That's another tip. Bring your own food to cook. Nagdala kami ng sarili naming bigas, ng luncheon meat, bawang, salt, pepper. Sinagay namin sa mega box. Yan. Tapos mga snacks. Ito na lang natin. Sulit. Luto na. Naiinit ko na. Ayan, tinulungan ako ni Lucille. In-order namin to sa Bueno Resto Bar. Nung isang gabi pa to eh. Ito yung ating sinangag with maling and scrambled eggs. Ito din, pampano. And pork binagoongan. Good morning to the family. Here's the view from our balcony. Yun yata yung entrance eh, pero parang hindi. Here's our outdoor setting. Ayan, madumi na kasi paalis na kami. Yan, yun yung entrance ng veranda. So kami pumasok. Yun yung mga shuttle service every 10 to 15 minutes. Going somewhere outside or I don't really know. Basta meron yan. Ask nyo na lang kung saan yung destination yan. And that's it for this vlog, you guys. Thanks for joining us in this trip. And I hope you also will have enjoyable travels in the future. And I hope you find this vlog helpful as well. And don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe, and ring the bell all the way on so you get notified once a new video comes out. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone. Safe travels.